Chusa na deli wono imbau. Na ichuchu wo turang. Wera sana ngon turang na ratunin rol. Ichusa na turang na nondo to deli niabu. Wo turang na nondo to kor wo turang na matasani kuah. Matai na busa ni bi ngarabi ni matentu ber na boilis wo matentu kita ngala saka chunga mai na matagani kuah kita ubea tauda na neto wabibina na beting go mi turang na sawali una bi turang taki na sawali una bi ko taki na sawali una bi to ki taki na ilaga sa ni matentu au kila ni dosa kile sa chuna turang sama da dosa chuna neto wabu ki Yasawa. Tali teksa kana dhanra na singa na matagani kuah ni ndatu mai wasa ndara ida sama na Matacawalevu rere binaka Nacula na nondo to korbo turang sanga malakati na sawali una betingo wasa sa bare teksa chuna matagani kuah nondo to suata na matagani kuah seni suata wulai to sota bata chika na nondo to soso bata na turang na nondo to me be sota raki me to me vitala noa mai ndola vitala ngaki na nondo sola freezer do resa na turang na matari ko kito mai tao sa to kai na nondo uduni banua kito sa mai tala darasa ki na nondo ya motumbuli ya me kuri sa chiko ni nomundo ngarabasa chuna nomundo ngoli na ya motumbuli sango do sa rongada kito sa dawiri kiviti na kia na vekoyaki na baka sama sa ya motumbuli ngo kito talada na kia na kelkelera na kia na wa ngemetu na kia na ka ni vibora rai na kataka na ndali koko tamai na utu to tokoedaki me ndreti ramai na ikalalai na oche runa mula tun la mula na ngai ndreta mai na ika koto vila koe kina kena bosoba Britania na migratory fish ya weekend da kila na tuna na walu na mahi kona ika to vila koe kera sing chukai da kau na kisaka ni kena membiu sango me rawi tanggoli mo sawali una le ni banua na balbal ni tanggoli na matagali kango na ngalala na dakau na sona ngo kona ikan dakau me ba tumburi me rawani ra marurui me balicira na nonda kau na kau ke malakati na vita mamba ki memuri do sa chuma na nraki bebisau lor raida sa chuna ministry ningoli ni sa toso som sa chunga na wili ni eompula chuka na nonda bingoli o kila ni to asa ngole me na ni to timi rato me raida na nondo ngoli marato ndike bana matangali kada wa chuka na nondo ngoli au to talanga na bosan ba binaka be erto na bol na televibu kena sa sabara na nondo to me tomana na daka ke tō wakawa uksa tuku na VSIV. Wawina na takasaka na deli wanu e mbau. E na kia na mai soli me mai wangataki na kia na wakatotaki na nonda ngoli se na nonda wakataka na iau e tu e na nonda ngoli. E ndo sana ka na e tatau ni matetu. Do doronga sa chika na kia na do ngandreu sa chika sona watatambu. Watatambu saka e sanga ni baleta ni vinakawana matetu se vinakawana ministry ngoli se vinakawiao ni minister ngoli. Balet sa chunga na nonda rai sa chika iliu. Membaletira na nonda kao memori me kuani nda sa sanganga mengele awiani. Na kai tuya nandela ni wasa ke na nonda ngoli merasa ngole da biur na makumbunda barua ni ko ke to ngal sa tal chunga mai bat ke rato na ministry ni forest se na ministry ni kau ke to ngal sa chunga mai na ke na da kana bi warra mataki na ke na sanga i mete wa ita na deli wanua na bi kau klani vida na te ni kau e kau sa chunga mai e na muri talma e dona timi menga kota mai e na kera sanga i me te e tolu sanga vulu na milioni na ve kau e miti me na rono dolu rosanga vulu ki na rono dolu tolu sanga vulu kera sanga chiko na nonda ve toko ni ve kita tu malakati na ndel ni vanua e mbau e na kena teba ki na ndel ni vanua mai na ve kau dosa tala na kera ni matentu kere misat bo ngarau ni na nonda to do te me ko ni kamasana wanua ni kausa chume ni te ko me na asi ko me ni te me mai so tu ki na wanua ni kamasanga na wanua e sa matetalanga na sasanga e to na sanga wata na wanua e mbau wata ke na matanitu na vengara bisa ni matanitu o ko me wador saka malakati wata ke na ruana kortale ki to na wal saka ni ko e voto kai sara chugo na sanga ni matentu e na do na vosa wa pertania na da na sustainability ke da wa vista na sustainability e raoronga ni da wande wa me non na maki se na non da ngangaroni na kai tu na deli hono mama da lo menwai me bale tira na non da kawa e romuri mai me da tobulea me da maroro e tu e sona ka me rawa ni rambula ki na oirna lubenda oirna makumbunda warua erna bisu somita ki weekenda enda bisi ngani mataka do chuka sanga na turanga ni vanua chuka sanga na vanua e mbau ena vendel dia utambu au da umbaleta sanga chuka na matari kuwa mai dua sanga chuka nongo bosa me ndo lawa sanga chuka akina na nonda to vitala noa na matasa ni kuwa sabasa kena liu
Mamimbul na nagtambalingaw nung gunak ko.
Tome zakao tara dadango. Andre rak na mas. Boy misis ngama. Oh, okay. Go. Go. Dote na Risabu e Nacula. Matei mo bereda. Oh. Saon sana ya? Ya na $20 raus. Saja. Kita nak tunjuk dia yang. Kalau lagi kunci. All right. Oh, mental tanah. Okay. Don, overall, the main aim of this trip to Yasawa was basically to continue with our program that we've carried out all around Fiji. I think the major factor that we wanted to emphasize was the subject of sustainability. And as I have emphasized through the whole week, that sustainability has got a few stages as far as Ministry of Fisheries is concerned. Sustainability in the way that we approach fisheries resources and how to go about enable to mitigate climate change and the various factors that affects fishing industry right now. The introduction of the solar freezer, the installation of FED is basically our effort towards sustainability in our oceans. As I explained to the villages that we have visited, the emphasis is to be able to improve fisheries activity with sustainability in mind so that we are able to maintain stock for future generation. I think those are the main issues. We install FED, provided a solar freezer, and then we have follow-up work to train people to use FED efficiently. And then we have now established a market that will come around to be able to give the source of income for the villages to maintain their ability to look after their families and their other obligations within a village setting. The main issues that were raised, the issue of the hotel developments in tourism and the fishing rights and the waiver of fishing rights. I think it culminated last night at Matacawalevu and again at Turtle. I think there seems to be a confusion among our people nowadays when the original documentations was carried out. They are not aware of that. I mean, there's a lot of issues being raised about customary fishing rights and the waiver of fishing rights. Some of them have suggested that, what should we do? It is better for us just to go and take over a development. I said, no, that's illegal. You have to look at the documentations that was originally documented at the start of the project. We are not aware of it, but it will be documented within the Itoke Affairs and the Native Land Trust Board. So these are the issues that were raised. The second issue was the provision of market. As tourism has gone down to zero, the ability to generate income and have economic vitality within the islands has significantly eroded. The whole idea now is to try and sell the resources that they can get from the ocean. So I must thank the Minister for Rural and Maritime Development, who has organized now the access to have markets to actually go to Yasawa, starting from Yasawa right through to Waya in the purchase of their products and also bringing market to their door so that they are able to generate income to look after their welfare in the village settings that they live in. I think the issue now, I just covered Lomaiviti last week and Yasawa this week. Previously, I had visited Kandavu and Lau. Next week, I'm going to visit the islands of Taveuni. I'm intending to go to Ngamea and Laudala, and Yanuda of Tabuni. The main feature and the main issue that we're taking is providing assistance to rural isolated communities in whatever way we can, so that they are able to generate some income out of their resources. So the benefit will be able to give them the ability to look after their families and the other social obligations within their village setting. Yes, in all the trips to the maritime islands that I've been doing, I have asked the Ministry of Forestry to accompany us, because without sustainability work within the land, then sustainability in the oceans is very difficult. Forestry plays a pivotal role in the continuation of reforestations on land. This will stop the erosion and the surplus water and rubbish that goes into the ocean, which basically causes ocean acidification and the effect of climate change, and the rubbish, plastic and rubbish that ends up in the ocean, affecting the ocean area, which is the sources of marine life, where our villages and our people generate their life from.